today, outfit check. Kasi magsimba kami ni Mallory. So si Mallory with ribbon, terno, necklace, and relo with sandals. So siya nag-shoes karon or boot, sandal kay naka ano man kami. Okay? So this one, it's Mallory's outfit with naka-relo pa na siya from Ma'am Ann. Up. And si Yaya, okay, present. Okay, ang kang Yaya, ang palda. So today, it's Sunday, kailangan magpalda. Unya, ang sandals ni Yaya, it's okay also. This one, dili siya okay. From online shop. Di ba man? And my watch from Ma'am Ann David, and relo, necklace, and bracelet. Okay? Hola. Check naman mal, no? Check. Okay? Okay, done na?